here the morning. Or not the morning. In like the middle of the day. He thought that.
What's this guy doing? He's gonna do the big pull. Here.
Oh God, we have to park. No, we ain't gonna do the freebie. Are we?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Better not.
We're gonna let somebody with some bigger tires get in there.
Clear out that. You gonna let the yellow and the orange one go in?
Yeah.
That's red.
That's orange.
You look more red. The little white people can get through there. Yeah, that little white vehicle looks destroyed. Oh, Dad. Looks like he's getting stuck. Okay, this next car, come on. No, I think that's finally going.
Yep.
Dad, look how long you're recording it.
44 minutes.
Of just
We'll have some editing.
Unless you want the full version of sitting in one area for 44 minutes. Oh, yeah. We might want to hold on this next part. Yeah.
I think maybe I'll go around it.
You think? Yeah, no. We are not going around it. We are going around it might be better.
Once Dan's out of the way, we're gonna hammer.
Hold on tight.
You guys holding on?
Yeah.
Off the limiter.
We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this, Dad. We can do this. We go straight up here.
Oh! Gotta go wide. So close. Whoa. Just straight. Alright. Oh. Whoa. Just that last little bounce, dude.
Oh, God. This is so hard.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. We can do this. Whoa! We just broke a
Let her eat.
We just broke a tree. You kicked down a tree.
This way?
Yeah, it's right up behind my truck up there, Corey.
You broke a tree. Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Break stuff to get up. Where the
See, there's tracks in here. This is all somebody's been in here.
like animals? No, like cart tracks. Because this
do the 4-wheel donut, I guess.
I don't just drive. You don't have to go there. Find a good area. Oh, going in a little bit.
Hey, this is gonna have to give it a little juice here.
Hold on, Tyler. What are they doing? What are they doing? Are we waiting for some people? Yes,
I think so. Put that in the very back.
Yeah, this camping. No hunt camp, this camp.
Well,
How long has it been since we've done actual camping?
just straight up camping, a
Yeah.
while.
Ever since we got the cabin, we stopped.
Yeah, because we have a cabin.
Yeah. But I kind of like going on adventures, but the cabin is, we already explored the entire place.
Not really. We
Yeah.
could do some off-roading up there.
Yeah. But I like going on adventures. And me too.
Setting up a camp, and I think we'll do some tenting this year.
Tenting. Yeah. Every time we're at the cabin, me and Jackson do tenting. Hold on tight.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Whoop. That bump, man. That bump was a good bump.
just like did a big jump. Our whole car did like a big jump.
Things came.
Let's go like this.
Ooh. Is this what I do to that here? I'm guessing this is where we're setting up camp. Oh, we're going.
And doing,
Oh no.
taking a wee.
I was thinking.
I gotta get up a bit so I can see this.
Oh, Dad, this is a. Oh. This is a.
Oh.
That's legit.
Okay.
Pull up your windows, Dad.
Yeah. Dad, pull up the windows.
I gotta go ahead a bit so I can get a video better.
I'm ready. Okay. It's already on. We already got a video of that orange car, Dad.
Phil, where's Dan?
Dan, he's right there walking back to his car.
Oh, it's our turn.
Hey,
again.
Dan.
We're gonna do this again, Dad.
Oh yeah. This is just the first time we come out with these guys. Let's see how deep that rut is. It's deep.
Yeah, you might wanna go a different way, Dad.
I'm going the same way that guy just went.
Hold on.
Oh, hot. I'm scared. Going straight through the puddle there?
Yeah, get ready.
Oh.
She's ice at her.
Look at the window. Oh, yes, you are.
Oh, we're sinking.
We're good, we're good.
Why does that red-haired girl always film what we're doing?
Probably for the internet.
What it takes for you guys so long?
If Rocco can do it pretty easy, if Rocco can do it easy, we can do it easy.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, there's a big water bar there. That sucks.
Oh.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
I'll wait for him to get all the way up.
This is gonna be scary.
Close your eyes if you get too scared.
I'm gonna have to crawl it. You made her.
But I Oh, he got it. He got it. We can keep on going. You should go on the path.
I thought they were planting like 1 billion trees or something.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like 2 billion.
Team Green or something like
Yeah, team trees.
that. Team Trees.
Yeah,
Every dollar is 1 tree.
Yeah. Oh, big blue.
Oh.
Ooh, it looks sloppy.
Ooh,
Should we go through there?
Yeah, get the good path.
Let's do it.
No, Dad, I meant the other path.
Go.
Too late.
Go.
Dad always takes the
Then sideways.
Dad always takes the sketchy ways.
That steep hill.
No, we don't. I don't
Oh,
think.
we don't?
No, we're gonna come out of the road over here.
Oh, we ain't gonna go out on that very muddy hill.
No. Oh, oh.